Hello, my name is Karpusamy and I'm going to be doing my first Unix lab experiment. The first experiment is about basic Unix commands. So there are a list of 20 questions and I've given the answers in the form of screenshots and I'm going to be explaining them. The first question is create a directory with your name. My name is Kanna and I've used mkdir command space the name. So this will make a directory named Kanna and change to the directory. The second question is change the directory. So I use cd Kanna. So right now it will be inside the Kanna directory. The third one is create a file student detail.txt with these values. For that, we're using cat command with a greater than symbol and then the file's name, and then after that we're giving the values that we have to enter. And after entering all the values, we have to press Ctrl Z and then exit. So this will save the file. The next one is display the student's name with register number and department, whoever is having elective as data warehouse. So in the previous question, we entered a few values. So we're going to do some operations on those values. So here I've used grep command and we're going to find how many students have data warehouses or elective. So data warehouse and then the file name is student details or text. So it gives the answer as 005 Leela, who has data warehouse as elective. The next one is display the number of students having elective as cache from student details dot text. So for this I'm using a grep cad student detail dot text and slash wc. So wc gives the count of the value of grep CAD student details. So the number of student is 2. The next question is display the file in sorted order respective to their register number. So for this I'm using sort command, sort space hyphen n and then the file's name. So this will sort all the values in the register numbers order. The next one is create a new file backup.txt with the same content as student details.txt. So here what I'm doing is I'm copying the values in the student details.txt to backup.txt. And then the next question is rename the file backup.txt to save.txt. So what I'm doing here is not exactly renaming the file. We're just moving the file from backup.txt to save.txt using mv command, and then we'll be giving the first text file and then the second text file to which we're gonna move the value. How many files are available under div? For this we're using ls/wc. So ls gives all the list of files available under the directory Kanna, and wc will give the count of the files. So the total number of files is 2 right now. And then display the current time. So I'm using date command which displays the current time. The next one is display the June month of the year 2016. For this we're using cal command, and then the June is 6th month of 2017. So I've used 6 and then 2017. So as you can see, this is the calendar. The next question is store the username whoever is logged into the system now and save it into the file user.txt. For this we're using who command, who greater than user.txt. So what happens is who command basically gives all the usernames who logged into the system now, and we're storing the greater than symbol will store all the values into the file name user.txt. So as you can see, a user.txt has all these values. How many words are present in the file student.txt? For this, we're using the word count command /w in the file name student_details.txt. So the value is 28 total number of words. Next question is find the terminal number you're using. So I'm using who am I command, and it gives my terminal number. The next question is display the content under your home directory, including hidden files. So for this, the command is ls -a. So this will give all the contents in the directory, including the hidden files. The next question is create alias name unhidden for the command to display files including hidden. So for this, I'm using alias command. Giving unhidden is equal to ls/a. So like in the previous command, we use ls -a. So we're just giving an alias name as unhidden. I'm using equal to symbol like to assign this value into unhidden. The next question is what is the process ID of the shell you're using? For this, we're using ps command. So it gives the process ID of the shell that I was using at the time. As you can see, this is the process ID. The next one is create 10 empty files with extension .text .doc .jpg. So for this, I've used touch command. Touch command creates files, and as you can see, I've created 10 different files. And then I've used ls to show how many files I've created. The next question is create directory name CSE, then move all .text files from your directory. So right now I'm in Kanna directory, and then I'm creating a CSE directory using mkdir, and then I'm going into CSE directory, and then I'm moving everything using mv command, and I'm giving astic.txt space CSE slash. This will move all the text files from Kanna to CSE. So right now, as you can see, I've moved every text files in the directory Kanna to CSE. The final question is display last three lines of the file student details or text. So for this I've used tail command, tail/n. This will denote the number of lines. So I've given 3, and then the file's name. So the file's name is student.details.txt. As you can see, this is the last 3 values that I've entered. Thanks. That's all.